Every second, thousands of Red Bull cans are opened around the world. But have you ever wondered where these famous energy drinks come from? Today, 우리모스 그 출처를 밝힙니다. Welcome to the ultimate energy source. Inside this mega factory, speed and precision rule, making millions of cans daily, fueled by pure innovation. The journey begins in a highly controlled mixing room. Every ingredient is weighed with absolute precision. Purified water is blended with sugar, and taurine and B vitamins are then added to the mix. Before production continues, laboratory technicians test every batch for quality, purity, and safety. Only approved batches move to the next stage. Meanwhile, lightweight aluminum cans arrive from suppliers and are cleaned thoroughly before filling. Immediately after filling, each can is sealed with an aluminum lid. This locks in the vibrant flavor and natural freshness. Advanced sensors inspect every can. Any can with a tiny defect is automatically removed. Production dates and batch numbers are printed for complete traceability. Every can is scrutinized. High-speed cameras check every label, guaranteeing absolute perfection.
Plastic wrapping securely holds each pack together during transportation. At the Red Bull factory, precision is key. Workers monitor every can on the line. Advanced technology are checks, ensuring top quality in every single can.
Modern sensors, robotics, and automation allow the factory to operate almost continuously with remarkable efficiency. Billions of energy drink cans are produced every year to satisfy worldwide demand, supported by large-scale production and distribution facilities. From carefully selected ingredients to high-speed automation and worldwide shipping, every Red Bull can goes through an impressive manufacturing journey before reaching your hands. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing factory documentaries.